You can add a variety of shapes to your design using the Shape tool. It includes everything from basic shapes like circles and squares to more complex ones like spirals. To draw a perfect circle, select the circle shape and tap one finger on the canvas while drawing. The same goes for squares and other shapes. Holding one finger keeps the proportions locked. Now, let's see how you can start building with shapes using Boolean operations. Begin by drawing 4 different circles. Drag to select them all, and you'll see the quick action bar appear. Tap on the Boolean operations icon, then choose the Divide option. This will split all intersecting areas into separate shapes, giving you more control over your design. Once you've removed the parts you don't need, you'll have a clean new shape. You can then merge the remaining pieces using the Unite option in the Boolean tools. When you create a star, it starts with a default of 5 points. You can easily change the number of points using the quick action bar. Just tap the star icon there to adjust how many points the star has. For even more control, head to the Style tab, where you can fine-tune settings like corner radius and inner radius to customize the shape exactly how you want.